In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Google Slides presentation mode not in full screen. This is a common need for many presenters who prefer multitasking or simply want a better view of their desktop. So let's get started with the process. First, you'll need to head over to Google Slides. You can do this by opening your preferred web browser and typing in slides.google.com in the address bar. Once the page has loaded, ensure that you sign into your Google account. To do this, click on the Sign In button, which is typically located in the upper right corner of the page. Enter your email address and your password as prompted. Once you're signed in, you'll be directed to the Google Slides homepage. Next, you'll choose whether to create a new presentation or use an existing template. You can click on the blank option to start from scratch, or you may find a template that suits your needs. Either way, this is where you'll be able to build your presentation slides, adjust the layout, and input your data. Once your presentation is ready, it's time to enter slideshow mode. You'll find the slideshow button at the top right corner, typically represented by a small triangular play button. Click on it, and your presentation will start running in full screen mode by default. Now here comes the part where we adjust the display from full screen to a windowed mode, allowing you more versatility during your presentation. Look for a set of three dots in the lower left corner of the screen which provides additional control options. Click on these three dots. This will bring up a small menu with a few options including navigation controls. Among the displayed options you'll find one labelled Exit Full Screen. Click on it and your presentation will immediately resize from full screen mode to windowed mode. This windowed mode allows you to have other applications open simultaneously or even manage additional tasks while presenting. And there you have it, a simple yet effective way to manage your Google Slides presentations without occupying the entire screen. This setup is particularly useful if you need to refer to other information, handle questions from your audience, or access any other digital material while presenting. In conclusion, the ability to toggle your presentation out of full screen mode on Google Slides offers an added level of flexibility and control that can enhance your overall presentation experience. With these steps, you can manage your display settings to fit your needs perfectly, making your next presentation smoother and more efficient. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope these tips prove helpful in your future presentations.